Hello students, this is page 109 from your math students book. This is chapter 7, multiplication. Earlier in a video I have shown you how to do these story sums in book. In today's video I will show you how to do it in copy for examination purpose. With proper statement you have to write these story sums in your copy. So besides story sums I have written here done in copy. You should also write this so that you can refer to your copy before the exam if required. And on your copy it is also written SB, that is students book, chapter 7, page 109. Write classwork and also write today's date. So let us start with the story sums. There are 5 benches in a classroom. There are 2 students on each bench. How many students are there in all? So what the story says is, in a classroom there are 5 benches. So the number 5 is number of benches in a classroom. There are 2 students on each bench. Each bench means on every bench. On one bench there are 2 students. So 5 benches are there. We have to find out how many students are there in all. In one bench 2 students. You have to find out how many students are there in 5 bench. So you can see I have underlined these 2 words, each and in all. These are the hint that will tell that this is a sum where you have to apply multiplication, because in the exam there will be many types of sum. There will be addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. So the keywords will help you understand that what operation you have to apply. I have told you that when there is in all, it is a hint, it is a clue that you have to do addition. Here the 2 keywords are each and in all. So each and in all means you have to do multiplication. So let us start writing. This is how I have written it. Number of benches 5. Number of students in each bench 2. Total students 5 into 2. This is the sign of multiplication. Be very careful while putting the sign. This is a sign of multiplication. 5 into 10. So we have already learned in the tables that 5 2s are 10. Then the final answer, there are 10 students in all. This is a very simple sum on multiplication. Let us move to number 2. Mr. Nair baked 5 trays of cookies. Each tray has 8 cookies. How many cookies did he bake in all? Here also the word each and in all I have already underlined. So again we have to do multiplication. What are the 2 numbers that we are going to work? 5 and 8. 5 is number of trays and 8 is number of cookies on each tray. You have to write this word each. So I have written here number of trays 5, number of cookies in each tray 8. Total cookies 5 into 8. 5 multiplied by 8 will give us 40. Answer, he baked 40 cookies. Moving to number 3. Sally packed 10 lunch boxes. She put 4 sandwiches in every lunch box. Here again the word every is used. Instead of each, it is used every. Means in one lunch box there is 4 sandwich. How many sandwiches are there in all? So again here we have to do multiplication, because number of sandwiches in one box is given and there are 10 boxes. We have to find out how many will be there in 10 boxes. Instead of doing repeated addition, we are going to apply the process of multiplication, because we have already felt that multiplication is easier than repeated addition. So this is how we have written. Number of lunch box 10. Sandwiches in every box 4. Total sandwiches 10 into 4 will give us the answer. Instead of adding 4 10 times, we can multiply 10 into 4. There are 40 sandwiches is the final answer written. Number 4. There are 5 boxes. There are 6 chocolates in each box. How many chocolates are there in all? Very simple. We have to multiply and find out the total number of chocolates if we don't want to do repeated addition. So I think no one will like to do repeated addition, because doing multiplication will take us less effort. The statement is written in this way. Number of boxes. You can write here plural also. You can write here singular also. It does not matter. Here it is written 5 boxes. So before writing we don't know that how the number will be plural or singular. So if you write here singular, it does not matter. If you write here plural, then also it is very good. Number of boxes 5. Chocolates in each box. When you are writing each box, that time you have to write it singular, because each means 1. Chocolates in each box 6. Total chocolates 5 into 6, that is 30. Then the final answer, there are 30 chocolates. So this is how the story sums are done in copy. Once again, I want to tell you students, please write proper statement for doing the story sums. Without proper statement, the story sums are valueless. So hope this video will help you understand how to do these story sums on multiplication. Do not forget to show the operation here. Don't put sign of multiplication in the statement. In the exam paper, I have seen many of you have written the sign of addition and subtraction here only. Don't do that. Please write a separate statement for that to show the operation. Thank you, students.